Hello guys, welcome back to another basic Java programming tutorial. Now we are going to learn about what is the this keyword, what is the use of this keyword in Java. So this is a pointer used to represent the current class object. In some situation, we need to refer the current class object. So you can understand the use of this keyword with an example. So here in this class there is a class called box that contain two constructor. On the second constructor we have some arguments. We have three arguments double L, H and D, and we initialize some variables here. So here we have some class variables called length, height and depth, and we initialize the three variables using this parameterized constructor. So here I am going to make some change. So here the formal parameters are capital L, capital H and capital D. Now here I am going to change this one into small length, small length. Now here there is a problem. Here our local variable name, the class variable name is length, length, and here the formal variable identifier is also same. So of course here we got a problem because the formal variable name and the instance variable name are same. So if you using the variable name length inside this constructor or any method, that will represent the local variable. So for this constructor, the formal argument length is local. So if you use the identifier length inside this constructor, that will always represent the local variable. It will not represent the instance variable. That means a local variable will hide the instance variable. So what to do to access the instance variable? So in this case, to access the instance variable, we have to refer the object used to invoke the method. So here in this case this is a constructor, so we have to get the object that will invoke this constructor. So here I use this. So in this case this will represent the current class object that will invoke this constructor. So this dot length means it will represent the instance variable. So if you simply using length, that will represent the local variable, that means the formal argument. So for initializing this instance variable, you have to use this pointer. So this dot length will represent the instance variable of this class. So this dot length equal to length. So now this is correct. length. Now this is correct because the left side will represent the instance variable and the right side will represent the local variable. So this is one of the important use of this pointer in Java programming. So this is one of the professional programming approach. If you have some formal arguments, you have to use the same identifier name for the formal arguments and the variable. That is a good programming practice. So instead of H, here I am going to use the same variable name height, height. So for representing the instance variable, I have to use this pointer, this dot height equal to height. So now the right side height will represent the formal argument, and instead of capital D, here I am going to use depth. Okay, so that is the use of this keyword in Java. So if you using this keyword, that will represent the current class object. So I hope you understand what is the exact use of this keyword in Java. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.